guys, a helicopter. Woo! Well, don't mention it, guys. Hello everyone, this is Young, and why am I excited today? Because I have a product which might actually give me a great solution to my mic problem. So I have here with me wireless Go microphone from Rode. And of course, with any microphone review, I hate it when people do it inside their room, inside their office. It has to be outdoor when you are using your microphone. So in this tiny little box, what you see is the main device, receiver, transmitter.
Very strong clip on both sides with the logo, and of course omnidirectional mic on the transmitter, and it shows the battery level and Wi-Fi signal. You can also add a lav mic and just use it purely as the transmitter. It can be charged by USB Type-C cable. So inside the box, it actually comes with two Type-C USB cable, really good quality and very long. What I really enjoy about it is how it has logo. It has a lovely little soft pouch, receiver and transmitter, as well as SC2 cable provided, two windshield, so very soft, ready to go. This is how I'll use with my main camera. Unfortunately, Sony Alpha 6400 is not particularly well designed, so it blocks off the sound monitor within the display.
Now I'm ready, and let's test out this microphone together. Let's go back into the crowd. So right now I'm back into the crowd. You guys can see how crowded this place is. And also I'm talking to myself into this microphone. So I wonder whether you guys can actually hear me quite well. My current setting is actually the lowest decibel because I realized that it's pretty amplified for the omnidirectional. Oh, and now as we're talking, there's a helicopter. Oh, there's a helicopter coming. Wow, look at that. It is so noisy, and I'm sure once they actually drop off the passenger, I'm sure some VVIP, it will take off again, creating a huge noise. I cannot even hear myself right now. I'm not even sure whether you guys can hear me. What I'm actually going to do is try to take a thumbnail photo. So I want to capture it from the video because I don't want to stop the video. I don't want to stop the testing while we actually do have a helicopter behind me. I'm going to actually hold the microphone here as well. Oh my God. Now that the sound is tested with helicopter, I'm so happy about that actually. I'm actually gonna see how compatible it is with other devices to show you whether this is perfect for vlogging. Sorry, I still have sticker on because I usually like to keep them for like a month. I actually bought this DJI very expensive adapter and you can just put it in. The issue is that why on earth they have it at the bottom of the device is my problem. There's not enough room to actually put on the mount from the bottom. So either you need to buy something that holds middle of the Osmo Pocket or use something like this, Ulanzi mobile phone holder. Slightly crazy setup, but this will work. So currently this is the setup that I have with Osmo Pocket. So the sound is coming from Osmo Pocket connected to the wireless Go. And of course I have the muff and also transmitter on my clothes. And let's see whether the sound is any good. And also of course I want to compare that. Oh, it's really sunny. So I want to actually compare that with the sound coming directly from Osmo Pocket and whether it will actually improve the sound quality significantly. It's currently unplugged, so it is now original sound coming from Osmo Pocket. I wonder how it sounds like because it never did very well. It never actually did very well by the sea, water or anything, and it's also quite windy here too.
For mobile phone usage, you need an adapter.
So I actually think this is my favorite setup with the mobile phone. Why? Because the screen is really big and I can see exactly what I'm filming, especially if I travel, and it is actually really convenient. And I do think the sound is better with the omnidirectional microphone. It does pick up my voice a lot better. I mean, I actually feel like Samsung mobile phone already has pretty good microphone for vlogging, but I don't think it would actually quite compare with this omnidirectional microphone. But one little downside that I have is that this mask actually falls off quite easily. That's probably why they had two in the box. So today I'm actually wearing this more, obviously. You can actually wear it a lot more discreetly because it's so tiny. And this microphone actually really changes the vlogging. If you want to see this kind of real life gadget reviews, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you!